No one thinks they want to start a second career at 30, but that's exactly what I did. I chose nursing because I love helping people. I was a high school history teacher for a few years. I worked with nonprofits. I worked with a lot of hospitals with the nonprofit. I wanted to have more hands-on experience helping people, and nursing was the way to do that. I quickly thought about, what do I want out of life? What are my goals? And when I wrote them all down, it seemed that nursing would hit every single one of them. Some of the reasons I chose nursing at Felician is because nursing has a lot of opportunities, from the bedside at the hospital to working at a general practitioner's office to being a travel nurse. There's just so many other things you can do. There's going to be a field that's right for you. It's a secure job. It's something that's always going to be around. I'm not going to have to worry about the field going under, or if a pandemic happens. There's always going to be a need for nursing. If you're thinking about going into nursing, I would definitely check out Felician University's ABSN program in New Jersey. It's a short 16-month program. Most of it is online. It really does try to work with your schedule. The professors are great. The clinical experiences are fantastic practice for real nursing, and I've really enjoyed my time here. My name is Jennifer, and I'm pursuing a nursing degree at Felician University ABSN.